Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use iTunes gift card for Clash of Clans. So if you want to use your gift card on Clash of Clans, so the best way to do that is just simply redeem your gift card, your iTunes gift card on your Apple ID. So to do that, open up your App Store. So when you open up your App Store, so what you're going to do, you're going to redeem your card to your Apple ID. So go to your account here on your top right, and then you'll see an option called redeem gift card. Simply select that. When you select that here, so now what you're going to do, you can either take a photo of your gift card or enter your gift card code manually, and then once you're done, hit on redeem. So your balance from your gift card will be added to your Apple ID. So now that you have your balance from gift card added to your Apple ID, so you can simply use those balance for any purchases on Clash of Clans. So anytime when you make any purchase or any in-app purchases on Clash of Clans, you can simply go through that, purchase it through your App Store. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.